Welcome to my scalp detox series. So this is my regular client. She's had a recent flare up due to wearing braids, so we started off with a scalp detox. So first we're going to go in with my mix of apple cider vinegar and peppermint. We're going to go ahead and gently scrub away any of the buildup. So this is really gentle. Even if her scalp does look a little bit inflamed, it doesn't hurt at all. We then move on to scalp buffering. So we use a disposable toothbrush here just to stay hygienic, ladies. It's important that we stay sanitized, and we're really gently scrubbing, and the bristles are quite gentle themselves. So this is really soothing, just to get rid of any of the other buildup that's on the scalp before we move on to our wash. So our wash is really important. This is the most important part actually. Everything starts and ends at the shampoo bowl. We're using my peppermint and tea tree shampoo to further soothe her scalp and to remove any buildup, and it also contains some antifungal properties. I then go in with another scrub, as you can see, and then we move on to a scalp massage. This is just to improve blood circulation and just to relax her a little bit further, as the scalp has been through a lot. With the detangling now, it's important that you work in sections and you blow dry using tension. You can see I'm pulling the hair at the root, and then I'm going on with my detangling brush. You never ever use a blow drying brush. You use the actual paddle brush, and then we're going with the trim to get rid of all those dead ends. And this is the final look. If you just open up my hair a bit, you can see that the buildup is completely gone, and I've put her on a scalp treatment plan for the next 3 months, and then she'll come back and visit me monthly until her flare-up is under control. If you have any questions about the service, please drop in the comments. If you're a fellow hairstylist and you want to know I got my products, just drop a comment and I'll get back to you. Thank you for watching.